Everyone loves carnivals, especially the kids. They love to play games in the carnival. What if they get to learn sounds in the carnival game? Sounds interesting, right? Let's see how. Have you ever played the carnival game where you try to toss chips into a cup to win a fabulous prize? This version may not snag your kid a giraffe, a teddy bear, or a doll, but it will give him a boost with writing and spelling. Sure, it's fun, but beneath the carnival atmosphere is a game that helps reinforce beginning sound-letter combination. So bring out the paper cups and let's build some words. For this game, you need a paper for recording words, a marker, 5 paper cups, tapes, handful of coins. So we can play this game in 2 levels. When the child is in initial stage, we can use one sound. And when the child grows and getting habitual of the sounds and the game, we can use the blend of 2 sounds. So now we are sticking the cups with the surface with the help of the tape and the scissors. So now we are going to place every cup on its position. As you can see, now every cup is placed on its position. Make sure that every sound must be visible from the distance. Now you have to draw a line from where the students will toss the coins into the cup. As you can see, this is the line from where the students will toss the coins. I will hand over a few coins to the students so they can toss the coins into the cups. The kid will stand behind this line, take the coins and toss it into the cups. Make sure the sounds must be visible. So we will consider it. So the sounds are m, a, m, a, ma, ma. So I'm going to ask him a word which begins from ma. So Srijan, you have to tell a word which begins from ma.
The mat.
Very good. Mat. 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 So the teacher will write mat in the ma column. Mat. Again we will continue the same game with another student. It is very important to motivate the child in between the game. Okay, so we will consider that. So the sound is p, l, pl, p, l, pl, p, l, pl. Srijan, can you think of the word which begins with the sound pl?
The pluck.
Very good. The teacher will write pluck. With the help of this game, we will be able to develop a positive relationship between student and phonics, so he can read any known or unknown word without any hesitation or problem.